Respiratory system. Have you ever wondered how you're able to take a deep breath, feel the fresh air fill your lungs, and get the oxygen your body absolutely needs? That's all thanks to your respiratory system, an amazing network of organs working together to bring oxygen into your body and remove carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas you don't need. Today, we're going to explore how this system works, what organs are involved, and why it's so important for keeping you alive and healthy. Your respiratory system includes several important parts. Air first enters your body through your nose or mouth. From there, it travels down a tube called the trachea, or windpipe, and finally reaches your lungs. Your lungs are the main organs of this system, but there's also a very important muscle called the diaphragm that helps you breathe in and out. Together, all these parts create a system that efficiently moves air in and out of your body, so oxygen can be delivered to your cells and carbon dioxide can be removed. How breathing actually works? Breathing happens in two main steps: inhalation and exhalation. When you breathe in or inhale, your diaphragm contracts and moves downward. This creates more space in your chest, and air rushes in through your nose or mouth, down your trachea, and fills your lungs. Then, when you breathe out or exhale, your diaphragm relaxes and moves back up, pushing air out of your lungs and removing carbon dioxide from your body. The alveoli and gas exchange. Inside your lungs, air travels to tiny sacs called alveoli. Think of them like little clusters of grapes. Each alveolus is surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Here's where the magic happens. Oxygen passes from the air in the alveoli through the thin walls into your blood, and at the same time, carbon dioxide moves from your blood into the alveoli, so you can exhale it out. This gas exchange is essential. It provides oxygen to your blood, which carries it all over your body and removes waste carbon dioxide. While the diaphragm is the main muscle that controls your breathing, other muscles between your ribs, called intercostal muscles, help expand and contract your chest cavity. These muscles work together to make breathing smooth and automatic, even when you're asleep, keeping your respiratory system healthy. It's important to take good care of your respiratory system. Smoking, pollution, and infections can damage your lungs and airways. Some common problems include asthma, which makes your airways narrow and inflamed, bronchitis, and inflammation of the tubes that carry air to your lungs, pneumonia, which is an infection in the lungs, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, which causes airflow blockage. Tips for healthy lungs. To protect your lungs, try to avoid smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke. Exercise regularly. This strengthens your respiratory muscles. Avoid breathing in polluted air when possible, and practice deep breathing exercises to improve lung capacity. Also, make sure you're up to date with vaccinations to protect yourself from infections like the flu and pneumonia. So, to sum it up, your respiratory system is your body's air supply line, bringing in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. Your lungs and diaphragm work perfectly together to make breathing easy and automatic, keeping your body fueled and healthy. Thanks for listening, and remember to keep breathing easy.